Combining both of them, boom, fire. Wow, wow. Pickle and spice bun, Rico's invention.
What's up? What's up? This is Rico. Don't forget to show me some love. Hit the like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Yeah.
I'm gonna combine Jamaican spice bun with pickles. Usually they put Jamaican spice bun with cheese, but I'm gonna substitute the cheese for pickles and try to make a sandwich, and I'll tell you how that tastes. So let's go inside the grocery store, shall we? I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers going around having pickles, dill pickles with cotton candy, and so on. Well, I've decided I'm gonna do something a bit unique and something different and something I've never ever seen before. Our spice bun is like it's sweet. It's not like a bread, like when Canadians or Americans or Europeans say bun, they're just talking about a plain bread. But this Jamaican spice bun is sweet. My weird food combination gonna be dill pickles with spice bun. So, all right, we got some whole dill pickles here. Let me see. All right. Oh, so tangy. All right. Both things in my mouth, huh? Wow. I think I'm onto something. It's actually good. So the tanginess of the dill pickle, and then the sweet, sweet tasting Jamaican spice bun. So if you're in Jamaica, you can get many different brands. You know, I remember the HTB, the National, so many brands, Captains. Here in Toronto, you can get the Ralph's brand, bulla cakes, and spice bun. So I got bulla cakes. I'm gonna try the bulla cakes also with the pickles. And maybe add some hummus into it, just to mix up to be a little more crazy. And we got avocados. In Jamaica we say pear, not to be confused with the American pear, but it's avocado, and Jamaicans call it pear. And if you know anything, if you're a true Jamaican, you know about bulla, a bulla cake, and pear. All right, so we're gonna combine everything. So first now, let's make a sandwich with the spice bun and some sliced pickles, just like this. So it's like I'm substituting the cheese, because like I said, usually you do spice bun with cheese. So now there it is. Put as much pickle as you want. Substituting the cheese with pickles. All right, let's try that. So here it is, guys. Rico's weird sandwich. All right, let's try it. Oh, you gotta process it, chew it, and everything just formulate and combine into a melting pot of goodness. Wow. Wow. Oh my. This is double goodness. Darn good. And like I said, guys, I've never ever seen this anywhere before. It's just, I came up with this. So you can try it out, and just remember you saw it here from Rico Vlogs. So please give me some credit. I'd appreciate that. Try it and let me know if you like it. Sweetness with tanginess. Awesome combination. Is there a word to describe this? Darn good. Darn delicious. Add some more pickles. Dairy-free sandwich here. No cheese, spice bun with pickles. Going in. Here it is. Here it is, guys. Have a close-up look. Here it is. Here. Close off that bun. So, I'm gonna... It's good. It's really, really good. I'm gonna put some hummus in it now. Why? Again, it's trying to be a bit weird, and I'm substituting dairy. So hummus, spice bun, and pickle.
Yeah, man.
Put as much as you want. So I'm done with the flu. It's a bit scary now, praying for the guys in China, Singapore, Malaysia, Japan, Philippines with this coronavirus. Actually reached Canada, so I'm worried. Reached the US. No one is safe from this. So we just gotta do the best we can until the authorities get a grip of this. Don't know how long it's gonna take, but exercise, good hygiene, minimize contact, minimize public places. It's good. So now, spice bun, pickle, and just dressed up nicely with some hummus. You can add as much hummus as you want. Just, making a sandwich. There you go. Splash it in. Squeeze it. Can you see that? Can you see that? That's the hummus. Pickles. Let's try again. I got sliced pickles inside. I got whole pickles here. Well, first time in my life I can say I discovered something. Or I re-engineered something. Innovated. It's a brand new innovation here. I didn't invent spice bun or pickle, but combining both of them, boom, fire. Wow. Wow. Alright. Try this, guys. Wow. Alright. Bulla cake. Now we have bulla with cheese and bulla with pear, aka avocado. Or avocado is the actual name, the correct name, aka pear. If you're a Jamaican. Boom. Yes. Some more avocado. These avocado here in Canada, they're so small. They're coming all the way from Mexico. Big up Mexico. I got a lot of avocado, like every single day when I was in Mexico. But I don't know if the Mexicans know about bulla and avocado. Guys, leave a shout out. Leave a comment below if you like bulla and pear. Only a true Jamaican would know that. Or if you're from America, Canada, or Europe, Asia, South America, Mexico, wherever, if you ever try bulla and pear or bulla and avocado, leave a comment below. Good stuff. Spice bun pickle sandwich. Let's finish this one. Wow. Darn good. Or darn delicious. Just like it should. Finger licking fantastic. Mm-hmm. Mm. Wow. Alright, there's some cheap almond milk here, guys. All courtesy of Walmart. I couldn't do something sweet with this. This is already too sweet. And if you know anything about bulla and pear or spice bun, you want to have that with some milk. But I'm doing dairy free, which is almond milk. Don't worry about expensive brand. Walmart brand, that's good enough. Almond milk. I don't see why almond should be expensive. Alright, let's go. Mmm. So again, it's the first time I'm doing a mukbang by myself. So, pretty interesting here sitting talking to myself. But, anything for you guys. So far I've kept my promise. I told you in 2020. For the new year I'll be doing some mukbangs. And yeah, I done the peanut butter rice with my friends. And now I'm doing pickle and spice bun. Again, Rico's invention. Alright, let me just finish it off. It almost was good also. Who the hell on earth come up with these weird food combination like spice bun and pickles? Crazy guy, Rico. Credit to the guys who did the cotton candy and pickles. I'm not a big fan of cotton candy. I didn't even like it anyway as a kid. Too sweet. At least this is filling. Spice bun is real sweet as well. But this is an actual meal. It's filling. Like, I'm already full right now. Gosh. So there you go. Spice bun complete. Bulla cake. Another bulla cake. There's no way I can do so much sweetness in one sitting. But spice bun, pickle sandwich was an absolute winner. Mission accomplished. Please let me know what you think of this weird food combination. Leave a comment below if you have tried it or when you have tried it, and let me know. I think it was fantastic. It was finger licking fantastic. Darn delicious. So good. I'm out of adjectives. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, stay true and stay tuned. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe. Yeah, man. You guys can get the crunch.